How to schedule a Bank of America appointment online. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you a guide on that, which should be pretty quick and easy. So let's get started. So we can start by logging in into their official website. So for that, open up Chrome or any other browser, and we can head over to the official site, which is bankofamerica.com. So tap on it and head over to their official site and log in into your online banking account. And once we do so, we need to navigate to schedule an appointment link. So for that, once the page loads up completely, what we need to do is scroll through the given page and go to the section, navigate to the section for schedule an appointment and tap on it. It is often found in the FAQ section or the contact sessions. So you can just go over and find it up, and there we go. Now, what we need to do is we can just go over and check it out what kind of appointment you would like to do. Everyday banking, investments with the metal, home loans, business advantage, etc. So we can just go over and do so. You may just go over and choose what you want to discuss. For example, everyday banking, tap on the topic, and it will ask you questions like, what would you like to discuss? So you can select one of them and tap on next. And once we do, we need to wait for a few seconds, and here another piece loads up. We can just go over and choose up an appointment type or location when prompted. So we have over the phone or at a nearby financial center. So we can choose any of those. So if you are choosing the first option, tap on it. We need to search it by zip, the city, or the state. So provide in the necessary details, type it in here and find the locations, find it up, and you should be able to book an appointment. Similarly, if you want to do it over the phone, tap on the second option and enter the zip code for this one as well and search for it, and you can just go over and choose up a date and a time slot, and once it is provided, you should be able to find your confirmation of your appointment online. You can check it out while you go visit in person or over the phone call. And that's it, everybody. This is how you should be able to contact the Bank of America Checking and Savings customer service. So we hope this video was helpful. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.